Morning, guys. Nijani. Guys. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It is your girl, Lady, and you know what it is. I am back again with another YouTube video. Guys, ngiyathemba ukuthi ni-right, ni-sharp, everything is good. Guys, I am so happy because hayibo, mangithi ngiyavuka today ekuseni ngithi ngi-check-a YouTube. Hayibo guys, ningibeka ku-100 subscribers. Hayibo guys, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much guys for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. Bengengize ngibe la ngikhona today ngaphandle kwenu guys. Thank you so much. Continue to subscribe, like, share and also comment, and please click that notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop on this channel guys. Please. So today guys I decided to do a vlog. Ngizonenzela vlog today guys, ne? Yeah, a day in my life, ne? Cause I don't know ukuthi kahle kahle ngizoyenzani like throughout the day, but day in my life guys. It's been a while ngasa vlogi and stuff cause now I have izinto engizenzayo. Yeah, kunezinto eziningi guys esisazenza, so yeah, please stay tuned as always, and guys please follow me on all social media platforms. Ngizowabeka la TikTok, Instagram and also Facebook guys, and enjoy any content engiyenzayo guys. Yeah, cause I do ama-comedy skit, vlogs, yabona nje into ecabangayo ngemedia ngayenza, but not yonke into yabo. Yeah, so yeah guys, manje ngizocleana ne endlini, then after I eat, yeah, so ngizobana nje ukuthi like throughout the day nje kwenzakalani, ilanga la today lingibekaphi. Yeah guys, ngicabanga ukuthi ngizodla kuqala because la endlini basase busy yabo, so ngicabanga ukuthi ngizodla before ngicleana.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl, stick a ass in the club with your homegirls, take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Esty. I'ma act you like Jessie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl, stick a ass in the club with your homegirls, take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake your ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Jessie. whole world.
Guys, ngisakaphuma mami, ngisakaphuma my mother. Manjika like that. By the way, I'm done eating now. I'm going to clean the house. Yeah. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Thank you.
I've been wondering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't wait. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind my mind, all these nights I'm trying to get ready to get back, I think. Ready to be on my way, ready to the other side, ready set to leave my life. Let it try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need higher. I really need.
Guys, I'm done. Sengqedile guys with everything la endlini, so manje sengizogeza and I am about to bath. Yeah, so nje masiqeda ukugeza sizobona ukuthi like lelanga lisithatha lisibekaphi. So continue to watch this vlog till the end, please.
You cannot pray. I need to find me. I'm behind my mind. All these nights I've done on me. Ready to give up my name. Ready to be on my mind. Ready to the other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need.
We've been done long before it all began. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why.
Guys, I am done bathing. Sengqedile ukugeza guys. Njengoba bengishilo guys ukuthi kungahle khona something eqhamukayo, you understand? So today I'm going to see inja yami ish guys. Kuningi okwenzekile phakathi kwami nentwana yami yabo. Yeah, sindlule kwezinye izimo whereby like besingazi nathi ukuthi sizosifika right kanjani. Yeah, sizozilungisa kanjani, stuff like that, yabo. So I think this time around sizoba reunited again guys, and ngimgcineni it's been ngimgcine last year December guys. December, January, February, May. 5 months yonke ngamboni. This year nje iqalile angakamboni, khani ngiyombona today. So ngihlangana naye namhlanje. So besisonke, so yeah guys, thank you so much. Ngisasho namanje, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Since sesifikile ku 100 subscribers guys, silibele nje siqhubeka sizobona abantu on my channel, because I know ukuthi nenjwayela ukubona mina siphesihle yabo, like senibajwayela abantu enjwayela ukubabona. So I want to like involve abanye abantu yabo. Yes, sinzowazi ukuthi unompendulo usurrounded nabantu abanjani, stuff like that. See, you understand? So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So right now guys, sisiyohlangana mina naye. Yeah, ifone I won't vlog kakhulu ekas because ish guys ikas le rough yabo. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Guys, I'm on my way. Since endleleni ke manje guys, I'll catch you all like masisi sonke mina naye, because I feel uncomfortable mangibambe phone yabo, because ish guys ikas le rough njengoba bengishilo. So yeah, danko. Guys, nange ngimtshelile ukuthi ngisayombona.
Sanibonani guys, ninjani?
Guys, nisazombona ke. Or kanjani?
Yebo. Yeah, we are coming. We are still learning. We are coming.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am back now singing, so yeah, I couldn't vlog because guys it's dynamic and we catch up and stuff, so don't blame me, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also comment guys manje ngendlini ngisayobheka ukuthi ngadlani, so yeah, stay tuned guys. I think this vlog ngizoyiqhubeka ne, yeah, cause izoba short.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island.
Oh guys, le here lookala le engiyenzile, so sekushoda this one. I think this will be the end of the vlog. I will continue the vlog tomorrow, I think so. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Hey guys, it is your girl Lady and again guys, I hope you're still good guys. This is the day 2 of the vlog guys. Ish guys, today is Sunday, angakagezi ngikhani ngivuka manje kwangisikhathi 7:30, so ngilungiselela ukuyogeza manje. Yeah guys, ngilungiselela ukuyogeza, then I eat, then I go to church. Yeah, vlog ngizoyivala today guys because I couldn't angikhona ngiyivala man izolo because like I didn't vlog kakhulu because njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bengifuna ukuthi si catch up no-girl yabo. Yeah guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment guys. Without wasting any time, let's get into it guys. I'm done bathing ukuthi angakagqoki because asikangashaya isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe. So right now I'm going to eat and then ngiyagqoka, then I go to church. So today when we are at church, let's go esontweni church guys. Sena masontweni bafethu yabo. Yeah,
Even if you don't put yourself
guys, I am done dressing up. Yeah, but manje sengiya esontweni. Yeah guys, I'm done, so I will show you my outfits. Yeah guys, I'm on my way esontweni, so I will catch you all masengiphumile esontweni guys. Yo, today ngiyi program director guys. Yo, yeah, so I will catch you all masengibuyile. Yeah guys, I am back. Sengibuyile esontweni. Yeah, the church was like good as always, vele bekumnandi. Yeah, so ish, I don't know ukuthi ngizoyenzani manje, but ngizwe la endlini bafuna ukungithuma eShoprite guys, so vele obvious ngizohamba nami, but angeke ukuthenga izinto yabona ukuthi ngithenga izinto ey'ningi yabo, ngizozwa ngabo ukuthi bafuna ini, by the way. Yeah, so nje guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, and please watch this vlog till the end. I'm begging you guys. I'm on my way nge-Shoprite, driving Shilo. Yeah, ngizovloga kahle mase ngifikile cause feel uncomfortable ukuvloga like ekasi. So yeah guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Yeah, road guys to 150, please, road to 150 subscribers.
I feel love the way you move your body. I feel you in your eyes. I feel love the way you move your body. I feel you.
Guys, sengizile selayini. Okay.
Oh my God.
Guys, I'm on my way ngendlini. Guys, bangangikhombisa la ngihamba khona kuthi kunjani. Let me show you. Ziyakhala. Guys, mangiyo siwasonke ne. Guys,
I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered.
guys, ngicine ngibuyile eShoprite. Yo guys, I couldn't vlog mangibuya. Yo guys, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngami umzimba wami ubuhlungu. I'm so tired, ngifike ngalala. Yeah, so guys, ngizoqedela la vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If ubukele till this far, thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. See you on another video, Bye.